this Wing Chun video, I'm going to be going over the closing step with a punch and then the pass-through step. What I've covered in previous videos so far has been the Hyunbo, which is here, circling step, okay? And the Kimima Hyunbo, circling step. This is the first part of the closing step. And from there, you add in the step, Hyunbo step, adduct, okay? Feet 45, hips and shoulders square, 80% weight on the rear, 20% on the front, head up, back. This is Jimma, okay? And then the outfall, left foot comes back, right foot back to Kimima, and here's our guard. Add in the punch. I'll switch my guard, so I'm punching off the rear hand, doing a closing step with the left, right? And punch with the left. Now, to add in the advancing step on the front foot, small step, and stays flat, okay? And then adduct. This is the advancing step. And you would want to be doing this while punching at the same time. So if we go closing step and punch, advancing step and punch. And then you can punch back, 1, 2, 3, reset. For the pass-through step, adding in the pass-through step, which is going to be off the rear leg. So if I closing step and punch on my left, okay, pass-through is going to be bringing your rear leg forward, and you're going to be in Jimma on your right side now. So you can turn your foot, bringing the rear leg forward, boom, punch with the right. And now see I'm on Jimma on my right side, okay? And then I can advancing step and punch on my right. 1, 2, 3. Over that again, closing step and punch on the left, 1. Now let's just do the pass-through step, okay? Turn the foot out, bring right foot forward, punch. Go ahead, practice that, try it out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you'd like to see future videos, click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and you get notified of future videos as they come out. And if you'd like to see even more Wing Chun videos, be sure to check out one of these over here, and I will see you there.